Welcome to the Premium Interchangeable Banner Stand installation tutorial. First, you will begin by removing the end caps and unclamping the top bar. Next, position your banner into the top bar fully. Press down on the top bar to clamp the banner into place. Start from the center and work your way out to ensure the banner is installed smoothly. Place the end caps back onto the top bar. Now, re-roll the banner. Measure the length of adhesive loop fastener against the banner and trim the excess. Remove the backing on the length of loop fastener and adhere it to the back of the banner at the bottom of the graphic. Press down to apply it firmly. Line the loop fastener on the banner to the hook fastener found on the leader. Apply the banner to the leader and ensure that the banner is secure. Pull the banner out of the base and secure it with your hand. Now pull the locking pin and gently guide the banner into the base. Store the locking pin in the rubber grommet. To change graphics, pull the banner out of the base until the leader is showing. Hold the banner and leader taut and place the locking pin back into the banner stand to hold the tension. Pull the banner from the leader. Repeat the same steps as before to install a new banner into your banner stand.